Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect email to your Wix website. This is a crucial step for managing communications effectively and ensuring that your business is accessible and responsive to your audience's needs. We'll walk through this process together, so by the end, you should feel confident in delivering seamless communication between your website and your email. First, you want to log into your Wix account, which is your central hub for managing everything related to your site. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard. Once there, locate the Settings tab. It's usually on the left-hand menu, and it's your go-to place for making significant tweaks and adjustments to your site functionalities. After opening the Settings tab, look for Mailbox in the Settings menu. Once you click on it, a new page will open up. Here, you have the option to get a professional email address. Click on the Get a Professional Email Address button. This service is typically through Wix's partnership with G Suite, which is an excellent choice as it provides robust tools and a reliable service for managing your email. If you haven't created a professional email before, don't worry. You'll need to select your domain to connect with this new email. Choose the domain that corresponds with your Wix website and continue. Now, Wix will guide you through the process of setting up your email with G Suite. It's pretty straightforward, and you'll be prompted to choose a plan that suits your needs. Each plan offers various features, so be sure to select the one that aligns best with your business requirements and budget. Once you've selected your plan, go ahead and fill out your profile details. You'll enter information such as your desired email address name. Make it professional and relevant to your business, as this will be the first impression for potential clients or partners when you contact them. Following this, you'll complete the purchase process. After the purchase is confirmed, you should receive an email with details on how to access your new email account. This email will include steps for logging into your mailbox through Gmail. Remember to keep your login details secure and accessible for future use. Keep in mind that it may take a little time for the DNS settings to update. But once everything is connected, test your new email by sending a test message to make sure everything functions correctly. It's always good to ensure there's no hang-up in communication. Now, with your professional email setup, you're ready to enhance how you communicate through your Wix site. Remember, maintaining a professional appearance and consistent communication can significantly impact how your audience interacts with your brand. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you connect your email to your Wix website smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Happy emailing!